A home burglary occurs every 15 seconds in the U.S.
It's just a sensor.
And most take place when you're not there.
You guys lost?
Oh, this is Mike's place? Mike's place?
No, it's not. You need to leave.
Introducing Spotlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security light with an HD camera, automated recording, and two-way talk that keeps you safe and protects your home. Bright enough to light up your yard. 270 degrees of advanced motion detection. Smart alerts to your phone, so you always know what's going on.
Hey guys!
Hey Mom! Hey Mr. Robert!
Promise me you'll do your homework, okay?
Day or night, protecting your home has never been easier. Spotlight Cam by Ring. Security for every corner of your home.
At Ring, we believe we can help stop crime before it happens, and that everyone should have smarter home security. Motion-activated cameras around your home and security monitoring within create a true ring of security that provides protection both inside and outside your home. Ring Alarm is fully customizable and designed to fit your home, always keeping you connected and putting security in your hands. Traditional home security hasn't changed in years. Ring Alarm is a whole new way of looking at security. Intelligent home security with outdoor cameras, alarms, and lights. A video doorbell with two-way talk. A security hub with smart sensors inside your home that all connect to you wherever you are, home or away. Ring is dedicated to whole home protection and has changed the way we look at security. Professional monitoring means there's someone on call with 24/7 protection, and 911 response is right at your fingertips, wherever you are. Ring Alarm is designed to be simple to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require professional installation. You can even do it yourself in minutes. Ring Alarm doesn't cost an arm and a leg and doesn't lock you into long-term contracts like other security companies, because everyone should be able to afford to keep their family safe. Ring Alarm is dedicated to whole home protection, integrating seamlessly with Ring Spotlight Cams, Ring Floodlight Cams, Ring Video Doorbells, and many other trusted security products. So you'll always be connected to what matters most. Keep crime out and peace of mind within. At Ring, we're making neighborhoods safer, and that begins at home. There's no better way to protect your home than with Ring Alarm.
Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And two high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies. Floodlight Cam is smart enough to recognize faces and objects.
Hey girls.
Hi Dad!
And works with your other Ring cameras
Oh, hey, can you remember to bring the trash cans in when you get home?
to create a ring of security around your home. Day or night, Floodlight Cam watches over your home and keeps you in the know. See security in a whole new light. Floodlight Cam by Ring.
Ring makes simple ways to protect and watch over your home, because safer homes mean safer neighborhoods. Introducing Stick-Up Cam by Ring. a next-generation indoor-outdoor security camera that keeps you connected to your home and family.
Hey, Dad. Hey, honey. Remember, Eli's recital's at 7.
I'll be there.
Motion-activated notifications alert you to the things you need to know.
Can I help you?
Stick-Up Cam keeps an eye on things when you're not there and gives you peace of mind when you are. Combine Stick-Up Cam with your Ring alarm and other Ring cameras to create a complete ring of security around your home. Stick-Up Cam works seamlessly with your Amazon Echo devices,
Alexa, show me the pool.
so you can be doing anything while still keeping an eye on everything. Stick-Up Cam is available in wired, power over Ethernet, solar, and battery options, making it easy to install in any home. So get smart about your home security with the easy-to-use, anywhere, anytime Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.